So this is our projects here. We see everything. I only have two uh, discrepancies because I only have so much time to spend creating videos and demos. So uh, I just used a template to show you what a lot of records would look like. So the way it makes it manageable, the way Odoo makes going through all of your tasks manageable is by the stages, and then from there you can then also group by deadline. So when this needs to be completed by, we would first filter by that. So we'll group by deadline. We could say if we wanted to look at week or day, we could look at that. Then from there we can then group by uh, project, and then we could also group by stage, and that will give us a very nice breakdown of when stuff needs to be done by. So we have our sales order 8 here, and then we can see everything related to this sales order. So we have everything in the new, in progress, and completed stage. Each employee, as the shop manager, goes through and assigns workers to direct discrepancies, or maybe they select them on their own, whatever. You can then go in and work on it. Once it's complete, so then we can click in. If we wanted to go into one of our new, we can click in, work on our order. Once it's complete, we can then move it to complete. You can also update the stages automatically. But now we go into my tasks and we see that there's now 186. This is how you could work through it this way. Another way would be to work through it on a view like this. And what we would do is by stage, and then you would do my tasks. And so by looking at your task specifically, it will narrow it down to what each employee has to work on rather than everyone's task. So that makes it very simple. Also, when you go into my team's tasks, so maybe one team is assigned a directive, you could look at those. And then another thing to do would be filter by project, and you'll see all of those in a project view here. And then you could filter by what's complete, what's not. So it makes it very simple to go through and complete the discrepancies. Because then you can go in and assign those to a specific person, see what's done, what's new, and then go through and complete those. So it's very simple, just like with any other item that you would have a lot of records for. You can go through and complete those one by one. And once those are assigned to a specific person, then they can go in and see their own personal stage by going to My Tasks.